50 years, we have not been able to take the justice to the doorstep of the poorest. Apart from the delays, apart from various other problems, the system as a whole is not functioning well. We should do introspection what should be done for its working. We should have more judges, we should have more lawyers, we should have alternative dispute resolutions. Whatever is to be done will have to be done fast. Recently, an act has been provided what is called National Service Act Legal Service Act, and alternative dispute resolutions have been tried to be given in that, but not working well. There have been, the bar as a whole is feeling that that particular legislation is not proper legislation. At this day, I will request Honorable the Law Minister to have a relook. Certainly, the bar would not like to go on strike, and that is not proper. We don't want to. But certainly, I request Honorable the Law Minister to please have a relook. We are fully conscious that when this legislation was passed, you were not the Law Minister. We are fully conscious of this fact, but certainly you can have a relook at that. With these words, I congratulate all the awardees of today. Each one of them is a leader in his own right. Right from seeing sitting Mr. P.M. Mishra, Mr. Altaf Ahmed, Sarosh Jaiwala, my old friend. Now Dr. Singhvi and Mrs. Ahmedi is not here, but I can see Abhishek, equally illustrious person in his own right, and my younger brother Som Mandal, who has got there, and all others, Mr. Agarwal, in his own field. And they have been selected by such a jury in which everybody will have a confidence. So I congratulate all of them, and I congratulate Mr. Adish Agarwal for arranging the function. Thank you very much.
Honorable Minister for Law, Sri Janak Samurthy, Mr. Jain, Mr. Adish Agarwal, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I congratulate the recipient of the Law Day Award, who had all given great contribution to the humanity through our judicial system. On the Law Day, I feel that our motto and message should be the uphold the rule of law and maintain the constitutional governance. If these two are taken care of, the other thing, the human rights, the environmental protection, the justice of the poor, all will come as incidental matters. I am very, very happy to participate in this function. Thank you very much. I request all of your permission to leave the proceedings as I have received my order. Thank you.
The ceremony of lighting the lamps is there. So I will request Honorable Minister for Law and Justice and Honorable Justice K.J. Balakrishnan to kindly lamp the lights. our food processing ministries, food processing industries to address us.
Honorable former Prime Minister Mr. H.D. Devarakonda, Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Janardhan Modi, Honorable delegates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am very glad to welcome all those who are participating in this seminar on the auspicious occasion of Law Day to deliberate and to hear on justice to all. Justice is the pillar on which the direction of law and the society has been configured. It is extensive and overarching phenomena in jurisprudence for discussion. Such extensive and endless discussion is the task of highly devoted philosophers in the discipline. We, the people of India, in our Constituent Assembly, adopted, enacted, and presented ourselves with the Constitution on the 26th day of November 1949. In memory of this landmark occasion, we celebrate every year 26th of November as Law Day. The basic concept of justice as understood in our Constitution is to secure to all the citizens of India justice, social, economic and political. Our Constitution also contains valuable references to justice which form the nucleus of human rights and human justice that serves and protects all people on the earth, irrespective of their being the citizens of this country. By providing justice to all, we can expect to build a future that is more peaceful, secure, free and prosperous for all of us. I thank the organizers for having given me an opportunity to share my thoughts with you on this day. Jai Hind.
Now I will request Mrs. Kumkum to read the message of the Honorable Prime Minister which we have received just now.
Dear friends and all the dignitaries, I welcome all of you to on this Law Day, and I am conveying you the message of the Prime Minister. I am pleased to know that the Indian Council of Jurists is organizing the Harish Chandra Memorial National Seminar on Justice to All to mark Law Day on this 26th November 2002. Justice is a prime imperative of our Constitution. Its preamble gives first priority to justice, social, economic and political. Our Constitution also enjoins the state to ensure that the operation of the legal system promotes justice on the basis of equal opportunity, unfettered by reason of economic or other disabilities of individuals. The topic of the seminar therefore clearly needs special attention of the legal fraternity, including lawyers and judges. I am confident that the seminar will deliberate upon possible remedies to cure the maladies which trouble our legal and judicial system. I wish the seminar all success. Thank you.
Shri Harish Chandra.
Honorable former Prime Minister, Devarakonda, Honorable Law Minister, all other deputies of the dais. Today, on the Law Day occasion, we are also organizing a seminar which is in the memory of late Harish Chandra. I have the privilege to read the bio sketch of Shri Harish Chandra Agarwal. Shri Harish Chandra Agarwal, after doing BA Honours in English from the University, obtained degree in law from the University. He was enrolled as a legal in 1946 and started legal practice in Rohtak. He qualified in PCS Judicial in 1948 and was asked to join as judicial officer in Gurdaspur. But in the meanwhile, as his father died, as he had to look after property in his native village Bhati and some people in Bhatigawad Rohtak, he opted not to join judicial service at Gurdaspur, district in Punjab on Pakistan border. He established his practice mainly on criminal side in Sessions Court in Rohtak. He represented state in important sessions trial cases as Federal Public Prosecutor with the right to private practice. He also represented some important departments of central government and almost all the nationalized banks and insurance companies in courts. While practicing at Rohtak, he also used his career in the Supreme Court in criminal cases. After his death, both sons, Shri Satish Chandra Agrawal and Shri Adish Chandra Agrawal, advocates, shifted to Delhi in 1973 and 1980 respectively. And Mr. Harish Chandra also finally shifted to Delhi in the late 80s and started legal practice in Supreme Court and High Court. On completion of 50 years of practice, which is a rare achievement, and as an advocate, he along with others was honored by the Supreme Court Bar Association when the Honorable Chief Justice of India presented a shawl and a certificate of honor to him. His articles on important national issues were prominently published in national dailies. Shri Harish Chandra was born on 23rd April 21 in village Bhati in Rohtak and left for his heavenly abode peacefully on 10th of October 2001 at his residence in New Delhi. His death was controlled by the then President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Union Ministers, judges of the Supreme Court and High Court, Chief Ministers, members of Parliament from different political parties and other important personalities. His two sons, Mr. Satish Chandra Agrawal, is a member of the Bar Council of India, as we all know, and Adish Chandra Agrawal, who is the Vice Chairman of Bar Council of India, and today, organizing such a great function, both are members of the Supreme Parliament.
Law Minister will present these awards. I will request, but we will have after 5 minutes, we will have another speech as our Justice, Dr. Ghatate is in a hurry. I will request him, Dr. Ghatate, to address us, who has always guided us. Dr. Ghatate.
Honorable former Prime Minister, Honorable Law Minister, distinguished guests sitting on the dais, and my colleagues and friends in the audience. I'm greatly honored to address this august gathering, and credit goes to Shri Adish Agrawal for organizing such a function. The topic of today is justice for all. I'll say a few words regarding criminal justice system. The criminal justice system which we have adopted from the common law, we trusted for it, is